We are going to go to Costco today in Halifax because we are going to inquire if they have winter tires on stock at the shop itself, meaning at the physical shop of Costco. Because 2 days ago, I tried to buy a set of winter tires, which is the Michelin X Ice. Um, don't ask me why I preferred that one. It's just based on the reviews that I watched. I was influenced by the reviews, and that they said that it's one of the best winter tires right now. So I'm not endorsing Michelin because I am not sponsored by Michelin. Also, I am not sponsored by Costco as well. So I'm just sharing this to you because you might be on the hook or you might be on the fence like me before. Like, I have been thinking about buying winter tires because this car that we bought doesn't have any winter tires included when we bought it. So I was on the fence on buying winter tires already, and then I was just thinking if when to get it and then where to buy it. But of course, I've been searching all around. It's like Costco has the best deal so far. So there are a couple of reasons why Costco for me is one of the best or has the best deal for me. It's first reason is I'm an executive member of Costco, so I do get a rebate of 2%. I hope I'm not wrong because my impression here is if you are an executive member of Costco, you will get 2% rebates on the products you buy. But recently, I've read something that not all of the products, so uh, just so, sorry, just just read through the what do you call that? Their terms and conditions. I am also going to read again their terms and conditions, but so far I have the impression of getting a 2% rebate on my executive. Second reason, they do run some offers and promotions. So there are times that they give off $50 discount for if you're going to buy four tires or one set. There are times $100 off. So with the Michelin X Ice that I have been wanting, it was on sale and up up to this date of recording to this day, it is still on sale. I think it's until December 14, 2024. However, it's out of stock online, unfortunately. 2 days ago, they it was still on stock, and now when I decided to buy yesterday, it's already out of stock. And then there is an instruction there, there is a text there saying that I may need to check the shop or refresh or just come back from time to time on their online because it will depend on the supplier's stock or availability. So the whole day has ended. I've been tracking it, and then there's no update, so it's still out of stock. So now we are going to Costco and try our luck if they will have on stock at Costco, and then see if we could buy it. And then third reason is this is not applicable for everyone. This wouldn't be applicable for you. We want to apply or we want to spend the the uh, $25 gift card because we got a gift card from Costco worth $25 because we opted to auto renew our membership through or using our MasterCard. So I am going to make another video out of that on how did I get it, how did I find out. Yeah, I think I found that one in one of the ads in Facebook, I think. But yeah, so we were able to get that, and that can only be used online. That's why I really, really, really want to buy the tires online. Unfortunately, it's out of stock online, so I may have to sacrifice that one. Then fourth, of course, fourth reason is if you are going to use your credit card, your cashback credit card. I don't know if how much is or if your cashback. For us, we do get 2 or 3%. Then that's another add-on savings. So that's one of the reasons why I find Costco to to have one of the best deals. And then those savings that I'm getting from Costco, I could use that to offset my executive membership because that will all add up like this one. If I once I buy the tires, how much is that? If I am qualified to get 2% from that, so let's just say the tires is worth around okay, let's just do the simple math. $1,000 for one set. I'll get let's say 2% of that. How much is that? $20. It's although that's only a small amount, but it's still money. You could already add that up on your membership, and with that, it will look like that you will be having a free membership already. So maybe one of the reasons why Costco Costco's supply of these Michelin tires get out of stock. Maybe it's because it's always a bang for the buck. It's always what do you call this? How do I say this? Because in Filipino Filipino language, we call it sulit. It's worth every dollar. It's worth every dime. I'm just going to go to casework now. I'm going to get her, and then we'll go to Costco right away, and then pay, and not pay. Well, I just do hope that I could pay right away because if it's out of stock, I couldn't pay it. So yeah, I hope that there is stock there. That they have this tires over there, the winter tires. And we are on our way now to Costco and check if they have the set of tires of Michelin X Ice. So wish us luck. Unfortunately, they don't have the Michelin X Ice on stock at the shop. I was given an alternative, which was a Blizzak. That was a Bridgestone Blizzak, and then they would give me a price that is the same with the Michelin X Ice. I saw that Blizzak online. I'd rather buy that online because I could still use my Visa credit card, which I have a higher cashback, and then I could still use my $25 gift certificate because you could only use that online. And then, of course, I could still have for sure the cashback if I am going to buy the Bridgestone Blizzak. Because, to be honest, I really want the Michelin X Ice. Unfortunately, they don't have it. So, yeah. So, what do you think? Should I get the Michelin X Ice and wait, or I'll just get the Bridgestone, which has the same price right away? So let me know in the comments Let me know in the comment section below if what is the wisest decision for me to do. And so my tip now, and a lesson also: don't 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 overthink, don't analyze, because you will be paralyzed. Don't analyze to be paralyzed, because an analysis paralysis would lead you into frustration, like what I'm feeling right now. I'm really frustrated because I really want the Michelin X Ice. Unfortunately, they don't have it anymore. I should have ordered it when it was on stock, because a month ago I could have bought it, and then because it was on sale also, and then it was out of stock, and now it got back, and then again it's out of stock again. So yeah, so that's it. But then there's a twist. I think you already saw this. So after going to their tire shop, we went inside and found this one. And again, uh, good thing that this is the only one that we bought inside. It's new. That the guys out there said that this is new. It it is a chocolate cookie clusters. Yeah, the brand is Copper Kettle, and it's a chocolate cookie. As you can see here, it's a wrap cookie. It's a chocolate wrap cookie over here. I'm going to show it to you later on once we're home. Exactly what does this look like? So yeah, no tires, but yes chocolate. Yes chocolate stuck. All right, let's go.